friends, welcome to another video. And this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Stellar Xlm of the last previous 1 hour 2 hour result. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button now and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, complete my 2K subscriber. That is the live price prediction of previous 2 hour you are watching now. So the change is a negative, as you can see here, negative 0.71% change of XLM cryptocurrencies in the previous 2 hour. In the high price of the XLM cryptocurrencies in the previous 2 hour is $0.390283. Dollar is the high price of Stellar XLM in a previous 2 hour. As we can see the graph of the Stellar XLM cryptocurrency, so it's jumping upward in the previous 1 hour, but unfortunately it's falls down in the last hour. As you can see here, it's falls down. So now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour, what's going in the previous last 1 hour. Let's see. As you can see here, the last 1 hour is also a negative change, negative 1.61% change is a negative of Stellar XLM in the previous last 1 hour. In the high price of Stellar XLM in the last hour is $0.389551. is the high price of Stellar XLM in the previous hour. As you can see here, the graph of the Stellar XLM, so it's continuously fast downing. But if we see the current rate of the Stellar XLM, so it's again a fast downing. As you can see here, it's on the border of falling and upward. It's not about sad about Stellar XLM as they go upward or downward, but unfortunately I think it's gone downward in this period. So to please sell it, I suggest, my suggestion is to sell it and be safe from loss. What's your suggestion? Please share in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. That is the live price prediction of previous last 1 hour of Stellar XLM. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.